is for alligator, snapping with a grin. B is for bunny, hopping quick and thin. C is for cat, purring on a mat. D is for dog, fetching a ball just like that. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fox, sneaking along. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. H is for hippo in the muddy land.
I is for iguana, basking on a tree. J is for jaguar, fast and free. K is for kangaroo, with a bouncing leap. L is for lion, mighty and deep.
M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for newt, splashing with ease.
O is for owl, wise and wide-eyed. P is for penguin, waddling with pride.
Q is for quail, running on the ground. R is for rhinoceros,
Thick skin and large size.
S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger, all stripes and glow. U is for uriel, a wild sheep's call. V is for vulture, soaring tall. W is for whale, swimming deep. X marks the spot where the wild things sleep. Y is for yak, furry and stout. Z is for zebra with stripes all about.